Well, Love Clean Streets allows members of the public and employees of authorities and their partners to report environmental crime very quickly within 40 seconds, and it guarantees that they're going to get a response from the authorities, so they're always kept informed about the status of that report. Well, it's very, very simple. You just launch the application, you take a picture of the graffiti or the fly tip or the environmental crime. It will capture your location automatically, put in a little bit of detail, so you select a category, fly tip for example, and then you just click send. So within 40 seconds you've sent that report up to the authority. You'll get immediate notification back through email or through text to tell you how that job is progressing.
When we were looking to develop the app, then we looked at Azure as a platform. Being a SME company with limited resources, it was really looking for something that gave us the developer tools in an environment that enabled us to scale up and down as required. So from a cost effectiveness point of view, the ability to deliver the solution without the upfront hardware costs, etc. And the agility to say turn on the tap as and when we needed it enabled us to achieve the development within a much quicker period of time.
Azure offers the ability for us to leverage our existing skills, but also gives us the ability to scale this application as we see peaks and troughs in demand. So it's very easy and quick for us to treble the capacity of our servers for a few days while a public launch is going on, for example. We have apps for Windows Phone 7, Windows Mobile 6.5, Android, BlackBerry and iPhone. And we also, for the people who haven't got a smartphone, they can use a text-based service to text in reports with a picture as well if they need to. The fact that we're using Windows Communication Foundation to build a service-level API on Azure means that we can make it easy to develop an iPhone or an Android or BlackBerry application that communicates with our service in just the same way.
With the impact of cloud, we've been able to enhance the system and make it more accessible, easier to use for everybody. It's spread through London, through the backing of Boris Johnson, so a number of London boroughs, and across the country in terms of Medway, which are using it, Leicester, Oldham, Nottingham, and plenty of others in the pipeline.
The one thing that struck us about the Love Clean Streets campaign was the simplicity of it. Our officers, our community officers out on the streets are finding it much more efficient to use. They're able to report things as they see them. And we've also had a soft launch with members of the public, and members of the public are able also to report matters to the authority. And they're all pleased with the speed with which it's acknowledged and the fact that things are being done. Just in officer time alone, we've estimated some £20,000 worth of savings in the first year, and we're currently receiving something, I think, in the region of about 200 to 250 calls a week. So the story speaks for itself, really.
Well, if a council wants to customise Love Clean Streets to their own requirements, it's very, very simple. We've built the service to be able to do that from the ground up. So within 2, 3 or 4 weeks, they can be up and running live with that service. Customised website, customised suite of mobile applications all available in the app stores for their citizens and partners to download.
The traction we're gaining now following Boris's endorsement, using the Azure architecture is just enabling us to take it global much quicker and cost effectively than we ever would have. So yes, it's fantastic times ahead for all of us.
If I was speaking to other councillors around the country, I would say to them, I would give them one simple message: download the app and start reporting.